Christina Sheree. If it's your first time here, hey, why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below while you're here. And if you're returning, it's always good to see you. So today I kind of wanted to pull out a palette that I got, was super excited about, swatched, did one or so looks, and then kind of just left it alone. Today I'm jumping into Morphe Bronze Gold. I would show you this way, but it's so reflective. I'll try to show you the box, and then I'll put a picture up here as I go along with the tutorial. It actually shows better this way. What the heck? This is the palette I'm working with today. Would show you the actual palette. It's too reflective. I'll put a picture up there. Did I just? Yeah, I just did that. Alright, jumping into this look. Picking up my Morphe R37, I'm dipping into the color Naked. I'm such a kid sometimes. I'm going to use this color as a transition color, so just above my crease, going to put that in there and blend it on out. My head itches in the middle of blending. Just, on about your blending. Okay, so after a fast-forwarded blending session, I like the way this looks. It actually took a long time. You won't see it with me fast-forwarding it in the video, but it took a long time to build this color up and blend and blend and blend, because I really want a nice, warm kind of cloud, if that's the right word, around this look. I just want it to be subtle and warm and sort of golden bronzy. So picking up my Sigma E17, I'm going into the color Tan Up. Yeah, that's what it is. Sorry, they have like a sheet over. Anyways, you guys know Morphe. If you have Morphe, it's not on the palette. Anyways, moving on. So I'm picking up the color Tan Up, and I'm going to place that in my crease. With Tan Up in my crease and blend it up just slightly, now I'm going to take the same color, same brush, and just stamp it on the outer third of my lid, and then start to blend that into the crease as well. Now I'm going back into the color Naked with the same brush, my Morphe R37, and I'm going to buff around the edges of the color we just placed in the crease, so just around the top and on the side to diffuse it a bit more. Okay, now I'm picking up my Morphe M321 and dipping into the color Heat Wave. I'm going to use this color to bring a little bit more shadow and depth to the outer V. So I'm just going to place just a little bit and then start to blend it in there. Okay, moving on to shimmers, my favorite part. Dip into Stunning, and would place that about 2/3 of the lid, starting in the middle to the outer corner, just with my finger, and see what that does first, and see if I need to fix plus or do anything else to adjust this color. Ooh, that's pretty. It's a bit brassy. So I'm going to try to turn this look to be more gold, but working with it. So I'm going to do the other side. I like that. So I think what I'm going to do before I try to put the gold on the lid is to see if I can blend this Stunning color into the outer V with a shimmer so you get a nice gradient. I'm going to start with Tan I cannot pronounce it. I'll show you on the picture. It's a bronze, not a bronze, it's a brown shimmer. So I'm going to actually just place this on the outer V right where, had to find the color, Stunning left off. That's pretty. I don't know if the camera is picking it up, but ooh, that's nice. I may actually need to fix plus and use my brush, but for right now, playtime. Okay, I seriously could just leave it like that and bring this color all on the lid, but I'm challenging myself to do golds, so I'm going to do a gold. I'm sure in the whole scheme of life it's not a big deal, but for me, you know. Picking up my Urban Decay Moon Dust E210 brush, I'm dipping into the color Rays, and I'm going to place that, starting in the inner corner and going to take it to the middle of the lid. I cannot describe these things that well. I'll show you. I hope you guys can see this. I actually like the way this looks. I think we're going to leave it like that. I'm not going to fix plus anything. Okay, so on to the bottom lash line. What I'm going to do is pick up the same brush that I used for Naked and just go ahead and run that along the bottom lash and connect it to the top. Picking up my Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH39, I'm dipping back into the color Tan Up, and I'm going to place this on my lower lash line on the outer third, really close to the lashes. Actually, I took Tan Up and buffed it all along the lower lash line. Now I'm actually going to go back in and fix plus the brush this time and just focus that same color, focus it on the outer V. Okay, picking up my Sephora Pro Shader 18, I'm going into the color Heat Wave, going to fix plus my brush. I just want to darken the outer V a bit more on the lower and upper, the lower lash line and my lid. Side note, I was watching one of my other videos and I kept saying upper lid. I mean, there isn't a lower lid. If you saw that video, you'll know what I'm talking about. If you didn't, then I'm just babbling. Alright, so I've picked up the color Heat Wave and I'm going to focus it on really close to my lashes and just the outer V on. I like that. I like that. I'm going to keep that one. So for my inner corner highlight and brow bone highlight, this is where I go wrong. Just gonna go for it. So on my Natasha Denona number 4, picking up the color Soul, I'm gonna place it in my inner corner. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. I don't want my brow bone to be shimmery because my lid's all shimmery, so the closest highlight color is Sandy. I think that's too close to my skin tone. I'm gonna try it. And that did not even close to what I was hoping for. Alright, let me just do the other side and then I will figure it out. Okay, going into the color Glare, I'm just going to place that right over where I placed Sandy and just brighten it up a little bit and then move on. Okay, so before I move on to lashes and liner off camera, I like to go over the entire look, make sure the outside's blended, make sure the bottom, there's a nice gradient. So I'm actually just going to stick with my Morphe R37, go back into the color Naked, and just really tighten the edges up and diffuse them some more. Okay, getting ready to head off camera real quick, do lashes and liner, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is a final look. I hope you like it. So what did I do off camera? I did my eyeliner. I always like to kind of soften the edges a little bit, so I tend to, for this kind of look, I used the Pat McGrath Black Coffee pencil and just smoked it just really close to my lash line up top and in the outer third of my lower lash. What else did I do? For my inner third of my lower lash line, I actually used my melt pencil in the color Dusk and just put that just right here and started to bring it down just a little bit. For my upper lid, For up top, I used my It Cosmetics No Tug pencil in black, and I like to tightline. I've mentioned it before, but if you've never seen my videos before, I love to tightline and then put a darker liner up top, because what it does is it fills in the gap and it makes your lashes look so dark and full and thick. So love that look. That's what I did there. For my liner, I used the NYX matte liquid liner and did a wing today. So just a nice little, I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. Use this for my liner, just did a little wing up top. And for my lashes, my trusty favorites, my L'Oreal Voluminous Primer and my new favorite, my Too Faced Damn Girl Mascara. And for my lips, because I am wearing lipstick, I used my ColourPop Becky G collab in the color Chola. And then in just the inner portion of my lips, I actually used the color, what is it? The one I can't pronounce, Tantels, whatever that is, and just dotted it just in the center. I'll try to put a picture up above so you can see the color. And I believe that is all. So, I hope you like the look. Thanks for spending some time with me. Before you guys head on out, get on about your day, head on over to Instagram and check me out. Not to babble on, I hope you have a good day. If you have any comments or suggestions on this video or any videos you'd like to see in the future, just go ahead and leave it in the comments down below. Thanks.